Python has been a popular programming language with a massive application base and ever-growing user community. Today, Python is being used for each and every aspect of computation, from a simple mathematics project to even a large-scale climate model. Python is intuitive, easy to learn, and overall a powerful tool. Research-Based Services Private Limited brings to you a 4-day workshop titled Introduction to Python for anyone who wishes to add the knowledge of Python to their repertoire and augment their career. We have made no assumptions, no prerequisites. The course is molded by keeping an absolute beginner into mind. The entire workshop is based on interactivity. Rather than listening or watching your instructor writing Python scripts, the participants will have the opportunity to work, write scripts, and learn alongside the instructor. The course content would be covered in 2 parts. In the first part, Introduction to Python as a language and required programming concepts would be covered in day 1 and day 2 of the workshop. In day 3 and 4, the second part of the workshop, we will cover data analysis and data visualization using Python. Each part would be followed by a group assignment. Groups would be randomly selected by us and a programming assignment will be given. Each team will submit a report within 7 days. This will allow you to work with people from different domains and will widen your network. The best team, according to the submitted assignments, will be awarded with exciting prizes. Each participant will get certificates of completion and mark sheet, which will always be available at our website. For more details and queries, visit our official website rbasedservices.com. We here at RBased Services are passionate about disseminating knowledge and we try to deliver the best. Looking forward to having you in this 4 days journey with us. Thank you.